Can I ask you something? Have you ever looked around your home and thought, why doesn't this house feel like me anymore? It's kind of a modern day way of saying my house feels outdated. Well, if you think it's outdated, it's because it has not moved on with you. Your home isn't ugly exactly, but it just isn't connected. Your life has changed, but your home hasn't caught up yet. You guys, I know that feeling so well. And what I've realized over the years is this: your home should evolve with you. I've lived through so many different seasons myself, being newly married and trying to make a tiny apartment feel beautiful with almost nothing, literally. Raising kids where practicality had to come first, building a business and becoming an empty nester. And every one of those seasons needed something completely different from my home. And each season, there are different priorities, different rhythms, and different solutions. And this is where so many people get stuck. They're trying to make their home work for a version that doesn't exist anymore. And that's what led me to create the Seasoned Home. This is not just a decorating course, it's a step-by-step process to help you create a home that actually supports the life that you're living right now. One that feels beautiful, it feels functional, personal, and deeply you. Inside, I'm going to walk you through the exact design principles I use, how to create a clear plan for your home, and how to stop second-guessing yourself, and how to finally make confident design decisions instead of feeling overwhelmed every time you walk into a room. And the size of your home and the budget, I promise you, it isn't a factor here, and I can prove it to you. Because trust me on this one, when you understand why a home feels good, everything changes. And I'm so excited because enrollment for the Seasoned Home officially begins very soon, but it will only be open for a limited time. So if this is speaking to you, get on the wait list. The link is in the description box below. Waitlist members are going to get early access to enroll one full day before the public, along with updates that leading to the launch are going to be intense. They're coming and you're going to be excited, as I am. It leads up to what is going to be a game changer for you. It's going to be the answer to your questions. You may have knowledge. That doesn't mean you have understanding. That doesn't mean you know the why to what we do. I truly cannot wait to launch this course because I know what it's going to do for so many of you, not only for you personally, but for you and your homes. All right, I'll see you. Hey, in the description box below, sign up for the Early Bird Waitlist. I want to see you there first thing.